Okay, hello and welcome to IGCSE Sudarshan Studio. A very warm welcome to a small studio of IGCSE where we discuss the past paper of EVM, that is Environmental Management 0680 and Biology 0610. Today we are doing few sample papers for Feb and March series student for the South Asian countries. Okay, so before that we just read out the instructions, and these are very important. You do need to read the instruction before you start writing your paper. Okay, read all the questions very carefully, attempt all questions, use only blue pen. Wherever the diagram is required or the graph is there, use HB pencil. You cannot use any kind of erasable fluid or correction fluid or tape. Write your name in bold letters, center number and candidate number carefully. Do not write anything on the barcode here. You can use the calculator, but do need to show your working and appropriate units to be used. The duration of this paper is 1 hour 15 minutes, no, 1 hour 45 minutes by the way, and this is paper 2, 80 marks paper, 1 hour 45 minutes, and end of every question or end of every part of the question you will see the marks here, right? The total marks. So we have covered question 1, we have covered question 2, question 3 also we have covered. So we are going to do with question number 4 today, and let's see the fourth question. Fourth question is related to that lesson. Let me show you the index page first. Okay, so that's the IGCSE textbook, and this chapter is managing natural hazard. Okay, from this topic the questions are there. So let's see the question now. Iceland is suitable on the mid-Atlantic ridge plate boundary. 4.1 figure shows the plates and the mid-Atlantic ridge and the location of Iceland major volcanoes. Okay, so where are the major volcanoes? Mid-Atlantic ridge is there here. Major volcano is in the form of a triangle, plate movement and capital city. Now where do we see major volcano? So let's see this one, major volcano. Where? Okay, here the triangle shape that you can see, these are the volcano, right? Mostly near the, here you can see few volcanoes, North American plate and Eurasian plate here. So the first question, on figure 4.1 write an X to show where the youngest rock are located on Iceland. Now youngest thing here, fine. Where do we do this? You can draw X where the youngest rocks are located on Iceland. So wherever the volcanoes are there, you will see the youngest rock. So basically you can draw X on the mid-Atlantic ridge. 1x is enough, right? So we have done with first one. State the type of plate boundaries that occurs in Iceland. Which type of boundaries we can see here? These are constructive. Constructive. Now if you say that what is constructive here, we'll see page 135 or something, so that we will have the idea. Okay, I'll show you this constructive also. Are we on this page? Yes. See, plate movement, destructive collision, constructive is the D part. If you are able to see this, this is the D is a constructive plate boundary. A, B, C and D, right? Opposite direction, focus, epicenter, constructive is this way in opposite direction. Here also if you see, it is in the opposite direction here. Okay, constructive. The next question is describe or use figure 4.1 to describe the distribution of major volcanoes in Iceland. Now when we want to distribution here, always use the figure to mention your answer. Now first mark, okay, so 3 marks. Mainly on the mid Atlantic ridge. First point. Okay. Second point is on the ridge of south coast. Here, as at the bottom, you can see the south coast. Okay, on the ridge of south coast, they are present. Distribution. 3 of the volcanoes are not on the ridge. Which one we will see here? We have one volcano here, and which one is not on the ridge? You can see these 3 volcanoes which are outside, right? They are not on the ridge. So third point is 3, or write like this, 3 volcanoes are not on the ridge. So let's save the time. 3 marks, 3 points with the help of the diagram we have explained. Okay, moving to the next question here. The volcanic explosive index, which is VEI, is a measure of the explosiveness of volcanic eruption, and VEI value of 0 is the least explosive and 8 is the most explosive. Figure 4.2 shows the VEI value for some eruptions around the world. There we have, so around the world, VEI number of eruptions are there here. Describe what figure 4.2 shows about these volcanic eruptions. Now 2 points, describe what figure. Always use the data here. Okay, so in such type of questions, use the data. It is very benefit because examiner looks data wherever the graph or such kind of questions are there where calculations are involved. Okay, so let's see. More low VEI than high VEI. Fine. Next point. As VEI increases, frequency, that is number of eruptions, right? Frequency, how can we say this? That is, so we are quoting the here VEI 7 has the least number of eruption. Okay, so such kind of answers use data. Many times I inform, I give them every time that whenever you see such kind of questions where graph is there, line graph or bar graph or pie graph, do use the data to support your answer. Okay, this is very important. Moving to the next part, volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruption table here, A and B is there. Country Iceland and Indonesia. Location is also given. Number of death is given. VEI value is given, and World Bank classification of countries also mentioned here. Suggest why the number of death from eruption A, that is in Iceland, was lower than the number of death from eruption B. So why do you think that number of death is 0 in A than compared to B? So first point must be more death means more people. Have a link of the answer in your mind and then you can easily answer it. So if it is more death, of course, then Indonesia has more population. Okay, this is one of the reason. Second one, Indonesia must have less money to manage the disaster, right? So let's see the marks first here. Oh, it's for 5 marks, so basically we need to write 5 points, right? Now in okay, so again we'll go for Indonesia. ERUPTION, eruption of volcano may have last longer. Okay, so eruption may be for the long time. They do not have enough money to manage the disaster. Population is very high. Sorry. Why the number of death? So this reason I have given you. Along with that, okay, Indonesia do not have proper warning system. Do not have proper okay, my bad, sorry. And the last one, fifth point, must be what else can we do? Maybe the emergency rescue team was not capable to take out all the people. Okay, so rescue team, so Indonesia, so in related to Indonesia only, so rescue team is not sufficient to handle such kind of disaster. Already the population is dense, but maybe the rescue team is not practiced, or they do not have enough training to handle such kind of disaster. Warning system may not be proper. Eruption of volcano may be for the longer duration of time. Less money to manage such kind of disaster, and the population very high. Maybe these are the reasons why in Indonesia you see the death rate more than compared to the Iceland. Now the next one, 5 marks, 5 points there. During volcanic eruption, magma rises to the surface to form lava. Name 2 other substances emitted from volcanoes. It's very easy here. You can write ash, which is released outside, and carbon dioxide. Fine. Sulfur dioxide is also there. Pyroclastic flows are also there. Volcanic bomb was also there. But you can write any 2, which is very easy and nothing to remember also. It's just normal GK, general knowledge, that eruption releases ash and carbon dioxide. Moving to the next question. Volcanic activity provides lot of opportunities for people, and state 3 of these opportunity. Now first thing is, whenever there is a volcanic eruption, the land becomes very much fertile, right? So the land will become fertile, suitable for agriculture. Fine. So agriculture opportunity is there. Next one, extraction of minerals. Of miners can have good pay from such minerals. Okay, one more thing is geothermal. Wherever this kind of activity is there, volcanic activity, we try to harness the energy, right? So geothermal power station power station setup for harnessing the energy. Okay, these are the threes or the basic opportunity that people can have near the volcanic areas. Even tourism is one of the factor there. You can explain that also. So we have seen this question now, natural disaster topic, managing natural disaster. So total weightage for this chapter was 17 marks of question on this. Fine. So any doubts, any questions that you have related to EVM or bio, you can put it in the chat box. Playlist of EVM videos and the question paper discussion is there in the EVM playlist. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe. This is a small channel for IGCSE. Educational channels are not so much famous or not so much trending, but I hope with your support this channel may grow in future. Keeping my finger crossed, hopefully we will have a great videos over the years. Thank you for supporting us, and take a very good care of yourself and your family. Remember, exams are only some digits, they are just a marks and they are not the future of your success, right? To take care of yourself, be cool, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video.